One of the challenges of many woodworking projects is how do you hold your parts steady as you're assembling them? In this case, I'm building a shelf. I'm going to be attaching this face frame to it, but you can see it's kind of wobbly. So I'm going to get some assist from a shelf bracket, a metal shelf bracket. Now, I'm not going to use this to support the shelf. I'm going to use it to steady the parts as I'm putting the shelf together. So I'm just going to get one spring clamp and clamp the bracket, the metal bracket, to the workbench, and another clamp to hold the upper part of the bracket to the shelf. And you can see how rock steady that is. It's not going to shift out of position or flop over as I'm assembling it. Now these brackets, they come in several different sizes, and if this was a longer shelf or a wider piece, imagine if I was building a cabinet, you can take a second bracket and clamp it on the other end. The other thing I want to mention is, in this case I'm only building 2 or 3 shelves, but if you're building several of them, what you might want to do is screw down this bracket so it's there permanently and really locked in place, then you only need to use 1 clamp. But now that the parts are held in place, I can finish up with the assembly.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Titebond, the Pro's Advantage.